Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it is Friday. Yay, hooray. I am on my way home. It is 76 degrees, a little cloudy and overcast today, so I don't know. Goodness, this road is so bad and the people on the other lane keep coming over to this lane because that side is far worse than this side. But anyway, I don't know if it's supposed to stay nice today, but I have heard that this weekend it's supposed to rain like crazy and then get cold again. Wah, wah, wah. So that's no fun. I'm thinking I might go get my nails done right now. I'm not sure. Depends on if I change my mind between here and there. There's a part of me that just feels like going home sounds good, but then there's a part of me that thinks that I'd really like to have my nails done. So right now I'm thinking I'm going to go get my nails done, so we shall see. I do need to go to the bank and put some money in Katie's account, so I have to go to the bank, take money out of my account, and then go to a different bank to put money into her account. So that's crazy, I know, but we do have the same bank for some things, but my checking account is a different bank than hers, so that's why I have to do it that way. And my bank is not conveniently located anywhere, so I'm gonna have to go to mine and then go to hers. So that's how I'll do that. Well, I have to anyway, because if I went to hers first, it wouldn't do me any good, would it? So there. And I think I need to go into hers to deposit into her account. I know I could deposit into my account with my ATM, but I don't think I can deposit into her account with my ATM. So I think I'll have to go in, and I'm just chatting and telling you guys, thinking out loud while I'm chatting with you. So things have been good. Like I think I mentioned that work has just been crazy this week, but it's been very productive. I feel like we've gotten a lot done, which is fabulous. It's just time to breathe. So today is Friday, and I don't think I have any plans really this weekend. My husband and I are thinking of going on a date tonight. We were going to go to see a movie. We wanted to see either, I think it's called The Life of John, or I Can Only Imagine. I think one of those is what we're thinking of seeing. And then tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day, so that would be a good day to craft. I also haven't done my plan with me, so I think I'm going to do that maybe today. I should maybe do that instead of getting my nails done, but I'm still thinking right now I'm going to get my nails done. So we'll see how long it takes for me to do the banking stuff, and I'll probably get my nails done, because I like having them done, even though it's ridiculous and it is not good for my nails. I know. And the last time the person did them, it was awful. So if he's going to do it, I'm going to say no, because he did an awful job. It was not good, and it was yuck. So we shall see. Oh, good Lord, this person in front of me is going 2 miles an hour. Somebody just passed them on the ramp. That's bad, isn't it? Wow. I think for dinner tonight I'm gonna make garlic parmesan chicken. I bought some wing sauce, but I'm not gonna make wings. I think I'm just gonna do chicken breast, and we'll have that and some salad. And I think that's that, and then go to the movie. And then tomorrow I think I'm going to, I know I need to like declutter, so I just don't know which part I want to declutter yet. But that's something on my agenda. There's like different places that I'd like to declutter. I need to do the pantry, and I was going to video that for you guys. So I'd like to do the pantry declutter. I'd like to do our downstairs closet declutter. I'd like to do my yarn declutter. Actually, not declutter, but organize really. And I need to get some shelving for that. And I found some really cute stuff that I liked at Hobby Lobby, but I haven't ordered it yet. I'd kind of like to go to IKEA and see what they have there, and maybe take you guys along to IKEA, since I talked about it for so long and I haven't been yet. So I'm kind of thinking I might want to do that. I could do that instead of getting my nails done, but I'm not going to. maybe I can do that this weekend. What else do I know for this weekend? That's really about it. I need to check in with Katie and see how she's getting along, seeing how she's doing, and if she needs anything. I do need to finish ordering groceries and picking those up because I'm going to send her a cute care package, and I will show you guys what I put in it. But it's gonna be cute. I have it already picked out, and I have a lot of things in my cart for Kroger, and that reminds me, I need to remind my husband what he wants so that I can finalize my cart. What else do I know? Oh goodness, I missed my exit to go to my bank. There's another one of my banks that way, but it's kind of far away. I might just come back and get on the highway again. I didn't even think about it. I was too busy chatting. Everything's so close right here that it's not that big of a deal, but kind of a bummer. I'll just get back on the highway, I suppose. And there's IKEA. And there's my husband's work. Hi, hubby. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I blew him kisses. So yeah, I'll just get back on the highway and go back the other way, go to my bank, and then come back this way and get off at this exit again, deja vu-ing it, to get money out or to put the money back in for Katie. So much fun. It's really not that bad. This exit does have a Target. Get my nails done, go to Target. No, it's so weird. Sometimes I find getting my nails done is like a chore, and I don't like to have to do it. And then I feel like if I'm thinking of it that way, then I really don't deserve it, and I shouldn't do it. Because it's an expensive thing to do and to keep. And then maybe I should just buy some more of the stick-on kind of glue-on nails and do it myself. I've thought about that too. I think it would be cheaper even if I wanted to do the acrylics myself, but I don't know. It's such a hard decision, and especially if I like them French manicured, which is what I like to do, especially when I first get them done. But sometimes people just don't know how to do them, but I know I don't know how to do them, so I would really probably screw up that. I'd have to paint them for sure, which is pretty. I like painted nails, but I think that for me, the French manicure just looks classy, and I like that look. So I'm now back on the ramp to get on the highway. Like I said, good thing everything's close. So that is my update for today. I don't really have much going on. Yeah, I know you guys like vlogs, so I'm trying to do them, but I feel like, especially like if I did like the Veda thing, vlog every day in April, I would be so boring. I just don't think I do enough to make it interesting. I don't like have exciting things going on. I'm not going to take you guys to work with me. That's not a territory I'm willing to go to. I don't think that's appropriate. So yeah, I don't know. I think that, well, that's what I do. I go home and I cook dinner and I walk my dog, and I'll go to the gym, and none of that is very exciting. But it is what I do. And then sometimes I'll clean or watch YouTube or watch television with my family or my husband, and then I don't do a ton. Although I am going to, I'm hoping that I'm going to do a garden this year, and I just want to do one that's like 10 by 8. So I am going to go to Lowe's and check that out, and I might do that this weekend and get the things to start it. Although I really don't want to plant from seeds, so it might be too early to do that, especially since it's supposed to get really cold again. So I may not do it this weekend, but that's something that I'm thinking about for sure. Planting tomatoes and cucumbers and onions, like green onions, and chives, basil, maybe rosemary, and green peppers. I think will be good for my start of a garden, and I'll go from there. And I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, it's probably time that I could plant them from seed, but I don't know enough about gardening to necessarily have them feel confident that they'll be successful. So I'm kind of thinking I'll wait until I can get them, like where they're already sprouted and grown a little bit, and then go and get some plants and plant those in the garden. So I don't think I'm going to have to do it yet. I think I can probably wait, I don't know, maybe just a month or so. And then it'll be all right. So, but I'm kind of excited about that. And I would, hopefully, if my tomato plants take off, I would really love to can some tomatoes. I love canned tomatoes. I don't even like green beans, but I don't know. I've heard those are a little harder to grow here. So I don't know. I don't want to. I need to do some research, I guess, on where to plant and how to, like, not where in the yard, where, like, if I put tomatoes here, what's the best plant to plant next to them, and all of those things. So, I have that going for me. And corn grows really well in Indiana. We are known for our corn, but we don't eat a ton of it, so I don't think I'm going to plant it. I like it, I love it, but I don't want to be tempted to have it a lot. And I have, one good thing is that I really have a great farmer's market really close, so that I can also buy fresh vegetables there too. And that's really nice. That will actually probably be starting pretty soon. And they start off early, and it's, things aren't usually ready yet. It's usually not until probably July-ish that the corn starts to get ready. And there's this one vendor that's always at the farmer's market that has the sweetest, best corn. Oh my goodness, it's called Dad's Corn, and they know how to do it. It's great. Every year it's good, and you can buy it by the dozen or by the half dozen, and they always throw in more. So I usually get a half dozen because that's really all we need. But I'll come home and I'll have 8 sometimes, or sometimes I'll have 7, or it's just kind of neat how they do it. They're just really sweet and honest, and they give you your money's worth, I feel like. So I think it's like $4 for 6 and $6 for 12 or something like that. To me, that's very reasonable for what you're getting. So I like it. So I guess that might be it for now. I will talk with you all soon. I really appreciate you taking the ride with me, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.